Hi, I'm Jessica from Calgary, Alberta, and I use TELUS SmartHome Security because it gives me the peace of mind of knowing even when I'm not home that my pets are safe. And if there's ever a fire or a carbon monoxide leak, I know that I'll get a call right away notifying me of this happening, and also there will be someone sent to my home to make sure everything's all right. It's difficult for me to pick a favorite product because the majority of them are for my own peace of mind, like knowing if there was ever a flood, fire, or CO leak, or even a break-in before any major damage could occur in my home. My favorite feature has to be the amount of automation that you can do with the alarm system, such as being able to turn on my lights and unlock my door if I disarm my alarm system from my car at nighttime. This way I'm not fumbling to try to get into the door in the dark. Most of us have hectic lives and aren't 100% present all of the time. By having TELUS SmartHome Security, it's removed that uneasy feeling I get if I can't remember if I've locked the door or turned off the electric water kettle before I left the house. I can easily check all of this information on the app and turn off the water kettle or lock my door if I need to. I can also turn off any lights or turn on any lights to make it look like I'm home and reduce the possibility for a break-in. The automation capabilities are truly endless with TELUS SmartHome Security. We installed TELUS SmartHome Security in our home 3.5 months ago, and I would absolutely recommend it to our family and friends.